Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your Buick Encore. First, prioritize safety by gathering your jumper cables and ensuring both vehicles are turned off and in park or neutral. Carefully position the donor vehicle near your Buick Encore, making sure they are close enough for the cables to reach but not touching each other. This preparation is crucial for a safe and successful jumpstart process. Now, let's connect the jumper cables correctly. Take one red positive clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your Buick Encore's dead battery. Next, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. Then, attach one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. This establishes the initial connections. For the final connection, attach the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Buick Encore, away from the battery. This provides a safe ground. Now, start the donor vehicle and allow its engine to run for about 5 to 10 minutes. This charges your Buick's battery. After this charging period, try to start your Buick Encore. It should now have enough power. Once your Buick Encore starts, it's time to disconnect the cables in reverse order. First, remove the black negative clamp from your Buick's metal surface. Then, disconnect the black negative clamp from the donor vehicle's battery. Next, remove the red positive clamp from the donor battery, followed by the red positive clamp from your Buick's battery. Finally, drive your Buick for at least 20 minutes to ensure the battery recharges completely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.